Good evening, friends. I hope you all are hale and healthy. As scheduled, today Harvest Gold Global Race 2025 Gurugram concluded with a positive note, indicating that running season is there and you will be having a good time, a competitive as well as tough time. By tough time, I mean that uh, well-known marathons are lined up one after the other. So you have to prove your mettle. Good in the sense that you will be getting chance to prove yourself. So it's nice time, good time, and you can make best out of it. As far as this Harvest Gold global race is concerned, overall it was fine, but since I have seen it first time in Gurugram, there were some drawbacks. Let me talk first of the finest things. Fine things were that route was very nice. It started from Cyber Hub, went underpass on the golf course and touched sector 43 and back. Other thing was that instead of using plastic bottles for water, they used paper bags. That was a nice thing. As far as some drawbacks are concerned, firstly, I must say that there were in fact three categories: 10 kilometer and 5 kilometers were timed races, and 3 kilometer was a fun race. So what they did, what their management did, at 6, 10-kilometer race started. Then after 5 minutes they started 5 kilometers, and again after 5 minutes they started 3 kilometers. So when we started, it was nice, good, but when we returned back, there was after when 3 kilometers were left, it was a mess, all crowded, and to navigate your way, there were chances to collide with youngsters taking photographs or jogging in groups. So that made difficult for serious and senior runners like me to navigate and to complete your race. But overall, it was nice. Route was nice, though there were two elevations. In fact, here comes the importance of hill repeats. If you have done hill repeats properly, you can manage these uphills, and that I did. Otherwise, most of the runners were taking break on those elevations. Their management had to work more. As far as refreshment was concerned, it was mess, all mess. Uh, it was crowded, no lineup, nothing. And as far as medal was concerned, for all participants, may it be of 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 3 kilometers, medal was same. So these are some defects which I noticed and which I faced. Otherwise, the race was overall nice, good one, have a nice time. And since it was in Cyber Hub, a well-known place to me, because I generally, I'm a frequenter there. I go since Decathlon outlet is there, showroom is there. I generally go for my purchasing of some running stuff, or there's modern bazaar also. My day-to-day needs, may it be bread, or may it be paneer, tofu, or any other item, I generally purchase from there, and I avoid local stores. Friends, I have received the result, and I have been placed second in my age category of 60 plus. I will be sharing the same with you all. Thank you for connecting with me and listening me patiently. Enjoy your evening. Okay, bye.